welcome to my YouTube channel, Key Does It All. I am Key. I am 27 years old. I am a mom of 3 and I am married, and I'm also super excited about starting my YouTube channel. I look forward to you guys' comments, suggestions, advice on how to better my channel, how to grow my channel, and also to see what you guys like, what you don't like, and what you want more of. But today I am going to be doing a cleaning with me video. I have been so inspired by many of you guys on YouTube to be able to start this channel and to clean. I've been motivated. You guys did exactly what you meant to do for me, but I'm going to show you how Key does it. So first, we're going to get into the products that I recently purchased from Grove Collaborative. I've seen so many of you guys using these products, and I decided to try them. So first, I'm going to show you what I got. So I have the Bubble Up Soap Dispenser and Dish Brush Set. I get tongue-tied saying that. Then I have the Bubble Up Sponge Dish, along with the stoneware tray. I got also some free products with my purchase. They gave me all of these products, and I'm going to get into what exactly is in here. So first, they gave me the scrubber sponges. It's a 2-pack, and they look pretty big, so I may cut them in half. But they gave me this. This is a free product with my purchase. They also gave me this, the dish soap from Mrs. Meyer's in lemon scent. They also gave me the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner in the lemon scent. They also gave me the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in the lemon scent as well, along with this 16-ounce spray bottle with a silicone sleeve. And to go into that bottle, I believe this is a glass cleaner concentrate in the scent of orange and rosemary. I look forward to smelling this. Seems like it would smell good. All you do is put this into the 16-ounce spray bottle, this bottle, and fill it up with water, and boom, there goes your glass cleaner. And they gave me a Grove Collaborative cleaning caddy. So all the products that I purchased, I can just take them and dump them in here and use them to clean the house without having to lug each product back and forth through my house. So yeah, so those are all the things that I've gotten from Grove Collaborative. I am super excited about using those products. If you guys are interested in any type of product from Grove Collaborative, I will put the link down below in the description box, and we're going to get started. But first, I'm going to tell you where I'm going to be starting, which is my living room. So let's get to it. So here we are. We're going to be starting in my living room, and I'm going to be showing you what it looks like. Here is my living room. That is my son, and this is our mess. This is my other son, and I'm going to be cleaning up this mess. Don't mind my Christmas decor that is coming down as well, but this is what we have to do today. This is real life cleaning and mess. All right. the living room, we are going to get into the kitchen. So let me show you what this looked like and what we have to do. This is my kitchen. This is the mess. Yeah, I know. This is what we have to get rid of and clean up. We're going to tackle the stove, clean all the appliances, clean the refrigerator. I mean, that's not the refrigerator. The microwave, stove. Yeah, all of those things. Don't mind. We're gonna clean the windows too, but I have to take down this Christmas decoration. And let's get to it. Tackle this. Oh, I don't know. This should be a task, but let's get to it. bedroom, we are going to tackle my bedroom. It's not that messy, but it's messy to me. So let me give you guys a look to tackle all of this. We are going to get to. All right. Let's do it. My video for today. I thank you guys for watching and tuning in on my first video. I ask that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, share the channel, and thank you again for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. You gotta say it. Bye.
Bye.
You say bye, Jaden? Come here. You say bye-bye.